face was black as night. A pale yellow moon shone in his eyes. His path was marked by the stars of the southern hemisphere, and he walked his days under African skies. This is a story of how we begin to remember. This is the powerful pulsing of love in the vein. After the dream of falling and calling your name out, these are the roots of rhythm, and the roots of rhythm remain. Da ba 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 oh. In early memory, mission music was ringing round my nursery door. I said, take this child, Lord, from Tucson, Arizona. Give her the wings to fly through harmony, and she won't bother you no more. This is a story of how we begin to remember. This is a powerful pulsing of love in the vein. After the dream of falling and calling your name out, these are the roots of rhythm, and the roots of rhythm remain. Da ba 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 oh. 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 Joseph's face was as black as the night, and the pale yellow moon shone in his eyes. His path was marked by the stars in the southern hemisphere, and he walked the length of his days under African skies.